So in this tutorial we're going to learn how to add smooth scrolling to any Webflow website. As you can see, we have my portfolio website as a standard scrolling, just your regular scrolling. And now we're going to implement smooth scrolling to this website so you can know how to do it. So we're going to use a JavaScript library called Lenis that is from a studio called Studio Rive. I'm going to link the original page and also GitHub account of them so you can see the documentation of the library and all the settings options. So you're going to the page settings or to the site settings, and you're going to the end of the before body tag section, and you're going to paste the script that loads all the code for the library. That is the first thing that you're going to do. So I'm going to copy that and paste it right here. All the code snippets, I'm going to leave it in the description down below so you can copy them and use them right away. So I just paste that, and now I'm going to paste some more JavaScript that is going to initialize the library. Perfect, now we have it, and now I'm going to paste some styling, some CSS styling from the library just to make sure everything works perfectly fine and our styles doesn't interfere with the styling of the library. So you're going to put an open and closing style tag, and then we're going to paste the CSS code. Perfect, now we have it. Let's save it and publish the website so we can see the result. Perfect, now if we refresh, you could see that we have smooth scrolling implemented. As you can see, it's nothing too fancy, it's nothing too heavy, so you have like a really sophisticated feel to your website really easily in less than 5 minutes just using this library. And so you know this library is really lightweight. It doesn't have so much code, so your site, you can rest assured that your site is not going to load really heavy and going to take a lot of time to load. So perfect. Now what I recommend is that you could do the same thing to the site settings instead of the page settings, because as we did it on the page settings, the smooth scrolling is just going to affect this specific page. But if you want all your pages or your website, you're going to the site settings and to the custom code tab, and there you're going to do exactly the same thing that we did here. I did it on the page settings because this website just have one public page, so that is why. But you should do this exactly the same thing to the site settings, so all your pages on your website has the smooth scrolling behavior. So that's all for today's tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to watch more tutorials about Webflow and Shopify. And also I'm doing free consultations on Webflow websites and Shopify websites. So if you have a Webflow website that you have some trouble with it, something that you need to set up, so you can click in the link down below, you can set up a call with me and I will be happy to help you out with any issue with your Webflow website. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.